Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and we have made it through the Monday grind. It is time for Free Watch Face Tuesday. Stay tuned. Freebies are coming right up. Welcome back to another video, and today we got some heavy hitters for you today. These are freebies. It is Free Watch Face Tuesday, and I'm thinking you're going to enjoy them, especially considering that they're free. All right, so the name of the watch face that we're about to check out is called Oblivion 4. It is a 12-hour watch face, and always on mode for the Gears 3 is going to be dimmed down. But for the Gears 2, I'm liking the look of the Gears 2 a little bit better than I do that of the Gears 3 in the AOD mode. Now, when the watch face is on, you get your information that's split. You get Tuesday on one side, along with the date, animated seconds. You come on the other side, you get battery percentage, you get the weather, and then it lets you know what kind of day it is outside. Now, I thought that was really nice. If it's misting, it's misting. In my area, it has been raining. And if the sun is shining, it's going to show that the sun is shining. And you're also going to get your digital time down at the bottom. This is a nice look considering that it's free. It is not interactive, but definitely for the price, it's worth the download. All right, you all, let's check out freebie number 2. Freebie number 2 is just as nice as number 1. Now, I gave you 12 hours in the first one. This one is going to be 24 hours, right? But I'm liking the uniqueness in this watch face, right? Very nice. Now, the watch face is named 24 hours AD. In the always on mode, you're going to get the exact same look. It's going to be slightly dimmed down in the AOD mode. And this is going to be battery efficient because of the black thing in this watch face. Now, when it's on, what I like about it is that it highlights the hour and the minutes and what time it is, right? Thought that was nice also for June, and your date right over there. Then you get your battery percentage down at the bottom. You can tap into your music and your gallery, right? So it is an active, so you can tap on it, go into playing your music, and you can check out your pictures. That's my baby, right? And I thought that was really nice. You can go in and check out your battery percentage. You know, that would be up to you. But I thought it was a very unique way to tell time. Very nice, especially considering that this watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you all download. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the freebies. Did I do a great job at picking them? And on top of that, hit the like button on the way out if you liked the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, you all, I will see you at the next video. Take care.